This is Islam in a nutshell. Abraham had two sons. One side was the Israelites.
Okay.
One side was the Arab nation, or is what they call Hisham. We do believe that the Israelites were chosen by God because Abraham was the father of the majority of the prophets. Peace and blessings be upon him. One of God's most beloved. Mm-hmm. He chose the Israelites to deliver the word. He sent them the Torah. He sent them the Psalms of David. And then he sent their greatest son, who they denied. He sent Jesus Christ. Peace and blessings be upon him.
This is in the Quran?
Correct.
Okay.
Christ came with his gospel, which was his spoken word. The gospel was real, but we never had it preserved during his lifetime. It was compiled 40 to 300 years after his alleged crucifixion.
Yeah, about 300 years, yeah.
And regular common Christians didn't have access to the Bible until the printing press in the 1500s. Mm-hmm. So imagine being a follower of Christianity and you didn't even have access to your holy book until 1500 years later. Mm-hmm. And we don't need to go down that wormhole, but it's, you know, the way it was compiled. The Quran is a miracle, bro. Only an asshole can't see. But where am I going with this? Because of their chopping John the Baptist's head off, peace and blessings be upon John the Baptist. He's one of the most righteous servants of God. He's mentioned by name in the Holy Quran. John the Baptist was killed, decapitated, and then they tried to humiliate the Messiah. When they did this, they were cut off from revelation. And then God crossed over to the other side of Abraham to deliver the final testament. That's what the Quran is. It's the last testament. We believe in the Old Testament. We believe in the Psalms of David. We believe in the gospel of Christ, which was not preserved. We know that the Torah was corrupted. We know that they changed the passages. Mm-hmm. And that is why we believe that the Quran is like the filter. It came last to rectify everything that came before it. And God made the book in such a way that anyone could memorize it.